This app not verified error occurs mainly when you are trying to install an app that has not been certified by Microsoft. This is a security measure to protect your system from potentially harmful software. But sometimes we need to install it, so let's look at the process of installing. Here you can see I am trying to install Discord app on my Windows 10 PC, but it is giving me an error. The app you are trying to install is not Microsoft verified app. So to install this, follow these steps. Go to search and type settings. Then select settings from the list. Next click on apps. You will find yourself inside apps and features. Then under choose where to get apps dropdown. Please select anywhere option. You can select second option, that is anywhere, but let me know if there is compatible app in Microsoft Store. For easiest I will select first option. Now go and try to install the app again and you will be able to install it. In this way we can install non-Microsoft app in Windows 10. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.